Yes, we're back. Actually, we had a change of plans from the last video. For this video, we were going to do the world's biggest lolly shop treats.
Yeah.
But we actually found a few other things to try actually before then. So within the next week or two, as I said last time, we will get around to those ones. But for this video, we have
Oreo Coca-Cola.
yeah.
No sugar.
Oh, no sugar. That's the worst tasting drink anyway.
Yeah.
Like anything no sugar is horrible.
You need some sugar.
Yeah, exactly. We also have
moderation.
Yes. We also have these twisties. Which ones
Sweet and sour.
Yes, which are in the a Twist of Fate type of series, I guess.
And then we've got cheesy jalapeno.
Hot rods.
Cheezels hot rods.
Yes. That sounds the most interesting to me.
So we'll get this one out the way.
Yeah, see how they are.
And then we'll go on to the twisties.
Yeah. Because, they sound like the best ones.
Oh.
The
God, you get a real big hit of there.
Oh, I don't know what I'm smelling.
That's the Coke.
Sure.
Yeah. Coke mixed with the chocolate. See, here's...
It's just a generic Oreo.
If you can see the bottle with the bubbles.
I'm just seeing that now myself. Meh.
I got a single, you got a double.
I got a double.
If you can see that.
Come down. Okay.
There we go.
There. That's a double. I guess.
Clink the bottles.
Oh, shit. It's dropping everywhere. Where's the Coke?
I'm kind of getting the taste of the Coke, but
It's just so disappointing.
Mm.
I mean, like...
It's getting slightly... The Coke's getting slightly overpowered by the chocolate.
Yeah.
And the cream.
Yeah. I mean... Like, seriously. It's there. It's just disappointingly not there at the same time.
Yeah.
They're actually okay.
They've actually got the drink version. Coke,
Yeah, I've seen...
Coke, no sugar, with Oreo.
I don't want to be even more disappointed with that. No. Oh, maybe actually. Limited edition fortune twisties.
It's supposed to be sweet and sour.
Smells spicy kind of, without being spicy smell.
Yeah.
I got a junkie.
I got a club with a couple of knobs.
Okay, let's go.
Oh God, no. You can fucking have them. Sorry for the language, but fuck that.
They're actually not too bad.
I prefer the fucking Oreos.
Well, you can keep your Oreos in, that's fine.
Oh, that's feral. Absolute feral.
that's my snack going. Let's see how much steam will come out of my ears.
As always, in a foil package. Disappointing on the smell.
Oh yeah, very disappointing on the smell.
Smells just...
And looks, and it's very disappointing. Looks like just the regular cheezel.
I got a couple of flakes on. Buzz off!
We don't need information right now. Like, I've got a couple on mine, but it just looks like a regular.
Yeah. Tastes like a different form of cheese on it.
I'm getting just a hint of spice.
Yeah, not really much spice though.
Because the more you eat, the more spice you actually get.
Mm.
After the second one, I've got like, yeah, bang.
Not bad though.
Yeah. I mean, like, these are similar to the spicy Doritos.
Mm.
Have you tried the Cornados from CC's?
I don't think so.
They're okay. I mean, like, cheese, see if there's any spicy ones. So I've tried the cheese ones and they're just as disappointing as those Coke Zero Oreos. The more you eat, the spicier that is.
Yeah. For me, it's the Oreos, cheezels, twisties.
For me, cheezels, twisties, Oreos. So, and that's all of them. Wow, that was a very interesting turn of food events there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm still tasting the Oreos, and I'm not liking it. Yeah, no.
On that note,
Yeah.
until the next video.
Just keep eating. And anything and everything. Yeah, also coming up in the next couple of videos too, weird food combos as well.
Yeah.